When this man was arrested for spitting on police officers in San Antonio, he faced up to 10 years in prison. His lawyer asked for probation. Would Judge Boyd give him no time, the max, or something in between?
Is there any drug issues with you?
Uh,
Why were you spitting on officers?
I was actually,
All right, court is calling 2025 CR 0003000, State versus Dennis Pena. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Milton Butler representing Dennis Pena.
And are you Mr. Pena?
I am,
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Pena, did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes, I did.
And did you sign it?
Yes, I did.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do.
Oh, and we're also going on 2025 CR 0000299. Counsel, did you receive all of the discovery in that case as well?
I did.
In that case, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. And Mr. Pena, in that cause number, did you review the application as well?
Yes, ma'am.
And each cause numbers, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it? And counsel, I'm sorry, in each cause number, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
do.
And state in each cause number, you're proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Pena, in each cause number, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Did John?
In each cause number, do you understand you're charged with harassment of a public servant as a third-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
I do understand.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call?
I do understand.
Did you understand by entering a plea in each of these cause numbers, you were giving up those rights?
Yes,
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers? The cases will run concurrently. The state will take in consideration 2024 PF 11447 and 735944. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Actually, I believe probation was to be recommended, community supervision was to be recommended.
No, I'm saying what they're taking in consideration.
Oh.
And then the cases will run concurrent and then community supervision. Did you understand those to be the pleas in each cause number?
yes, ma'am.
Defense,
Yes,
state?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes,
Counsel, are there any such motions?
none.
Outside the agreement in each cause number, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
I did.
Then into each cause number, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State in each cause number, any evidence?
No objection.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. In each cause number, the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. We'd ask that you go along with the state's plea bargaining office.
All right. Are you employed?
Not at the moment.
All right. When's the last time you were employed and what did you do?
The dishwasher at Margaritaville, downtown the River Center Mall.
Okay. Do you have any children?
Right.
Do you have a place to live if you were released?
At my mom's.
And did you ask your mom if you could stay with her?
Yes, ma'am. I've been talking to her every day.
And is there any drug issues with you?
Uh,
All right, well, why were you spitting on officers?
I was actually, me and the officer were just. He had thrown me to the ground, and I was kind of upset at him, and I made a bad decision, and it was just a bad choice that I had done. Because he had thrown me to the ground, he had actually thrown me to the ground and threw me in the car, and it was just a bad choice. It was just a.
All right, this is what the court is going to do in each cause number. The court is going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, field visits 1 time per month for 3 months, 150 hours of community service restitution, and anger management. Probation, is there anything else? And I'm so sorry. Each case number will run concurrently, and the court is taking in consideration the previous cause numbers that were mentioned on the record as a part of the plea bargain agreement. Yes. All right, did you review the documents entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Oh, you're welcome.
I'm gonna sit over here and this is a second.